Oh, smoking hot. How much batteries left on that? 3. Whew. What's that noise? Someone's trying to get me. Happy New Year's Day, everyone. That lantern gets very hot. Oh, fucking Jesus. I could probably cook an egg on that. I'll cook an egg on it. Cook on a candle. I wonder if you cook on a candle. I don't have that knowledge. Right, I'm going to drink half of this and then put my food on and then go to bed. So we have a rapscallion. Jesus. Now you know why? When I was in a tent, I had a plastic bag on me. Happy New Year. What is this year gonna bring for me? I don't fucking know. Anyway, Dave Chappelle has sparked something that's on my mind for a very, 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 very long time, and that's called equality. That goes both ways. Basically, I believe everyone has the right to express who they are as a person, as long as it doesn't infringe on another person's well-being. Okay? If you act like an asshole and you hurt other people's feelings, then that's not putting other people's well-being is equal to yours. Same as relationships. Someone hasn't got the right to take someone's freedom away from them, no matter what gender you are or sexuality. Anyone. Oh, I'm gonna leave you if you don't do this. Well, fucking leave then. Don't fucking threaten me with that. That's fucking not right. Using fear to control someone. Oh, I like you, but I want you to change into this perception. What is it? I'd like you to change into my perception of who you should be. Isn't that taking away someone's human rights? Okay? Freedom to express who they are as a person, as long as it doesn't infringe on someone else's well-being. You know what I mean? I see it a lot. I've dealt with it. And because of my nature, I'm like, no. I am not changing who I am as a person for you. I change myself as a person for myself, not for you. A lot of fucking bullying's going on as well. A lot of it. A lot of hierarchical snobbery. Oh, I'm better than you, so I got a better job than you. So you're your job then. You're not a person then. You hide behind your job occupation. Who are you as a person? Have you made a difference? Have you experienced the stuff that you need to experience? Have you? I'm not capable of taking away someone's freedom because you can't do that to me. I will let you think that you're controlling me, then I'll see how far it goes, and then I will disengage from you and walk away slowly in a dignified manner. I just don't understand people, mate, honestly. Like, I was saying to Yasmin when she worked at the kite unit that why can't people accept people for who they are? Oh no, you should be like this. And you're looking at him going, you're a fucking terrible person to even suggest that. Really? You're alright, but you need to be like this. I'm like, no. Oh, you're too soft on the patients. You should do it like this. I'm like, no. It's weird, mate. It's just fucking weird, like how people are and how toxic they really are in here, in their hearts. And they project that onto other people. I think there's a documentary talking about peptides and receptocytes. That someone who overshadows someone or bullies someone produces a certain peptide and they sort of revel on it, like an addiction. They get a certain like stimulus from it, so they want to do it again and again and again. That's very interesting. Very interesting. I think I'm addicted to the wild camping is like, as soon as I set foot in this woodland, there's a plane over there, or a helicopter. Helicopter. I think that's from going to Southampton General, I think. I've got a lot of respect for paramedics. A lot of respect. Yeah. A lot of fucking respect for paramedics, mate. I don't know. It's a touchy subject. I'm sort of going around it. So, obviously it's a bit controversial. When I look at someone and analyse them, doesn't matter what job title they have, what gender, what race, what sexuality, I judge them on the actions that they do to others and myself, and determine, is that person a good person or a bad person. I've been told I thought it was an ember then. I had to move the bag behind me because I didn't want any of the originally this was there, this block, basically to protect any embers coming in. It's happened to me before when I was in Dartmoor. That goes out for you, Yaz. Congratulations. Oh, very touchy subject, mate. These sort of things go through my mind all the fucking time. You know what I mean? It's 20 to 6 in the morning, dudes. Fucking Jesus. I think this is going to be my last wild camp for a while. I think I'm going to gravitate towards hiking for a little bit. This one was a bit different because obviously the geography, I'm not sure if I'm using the right terminology. The topography of the area, I'm probably using the wrong words. I'm not very well read. Maybe if I read books, my vocabulary will get better. Because I'm a lazy fuck. I'm exposed to knowledge though, like I pick and choose what I want to watch. I do watch Top 10 Facts by Simon Whistler, I think his name is. He's got various different channels. He's amazing. He's got facts coming out his arse. And he's got good like visuals as well. He's got such a calm demeanour about him. Very articulate. Obviously when... I've got slugs on me. Fuck off, slugs. There's no more moisture on there. I don't think that was slugs. It looked like slugs. I don't know. Should I put some more wood on the fire? Fuck it, come on. Let's go for it. Let's make sure there's enough air gap though. Like that. Let's watch what I'm doing. I don't want you watching my ass. Stop watching my ass. This is not TikTok, you know. It's not TikTok, you know. Let's burn this one. I don't know where I found that one. Let's burn the fucking whole lot, mate. Fuck it. Come on. I don't have to take it back to the yew tree. That'll do. You can watch me do it. Stop looking at my ass. Stop showing your ass. That's better. Honestly, mate. I love this fucking audio, mate. Honestly, I love like talking to the camera while I'm doing this. That's it. Let's move that bit closer in. That's it. I created this myself with a mixture of hoarded firewood, like a fucking beaver. That glow stick's annoying me because basically it's showing my location. When I go to bed, I'm going to take the other glow stick down. Well, when I go to sleep, and hide it. Don't know why I'm worried, mate. Gonna be a dog walker coming through. Typically, probably dog walker today. Like, yeah, there's so much camping in there again. Is there enough in there? Yeah. I need to get a new one of these. Oh, my cuffs are coming out. Get back in there. Yeah. Oh. Start the video again.